and gentlemen, to welcome you all to the mini Vartalab on 3 new criminal laws under the aegis of judicial delivery system. Ladies and gentlemen, it is for the first time that through these newly enacted criminal laws, with the Indian soul, our criminal judicial system will be governed by India, for India, and the system created by the Indian Parliament.
We have been organizing such programs for various developmental schemes, but this is for the first time that we are organizing a Vartalab on 3 new criminal laws. You are aware that change is law of nature, and keeping in view that the government of India has changed the laws and all the modern requirements have been kept into considerations, you will be briefed about all those laws through our esteemed experts, because law enforcing agencies and advocacy has a big role through courts for providing justice to the people who are facing various criminal issues, criminal cases rather. So we have tried to involve all those agencies, and of course, like other schemes, to reach to the corner of Jammu and Kashmir and also the whole country, we definitely need help of the media persons. So we have decided to brief you about these 3 new criminal laws, so that the information could reach to all the concerned through your valuable channels and publications. So I, on behalf of my whole team and Press Information Bureau, Government of India, welcome you all in this Vartalab, with the hope that we will be able to spread the message, because to inform is to empower. So a brief of these laws, you will definitely watch a presentation here, and you will our experts will also speak on the topic. Just a brief introduction of these laws. The Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. The second is the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, and the third one is the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. Has been changed to a large extent, and as you might have heard that these laws were incorporated during colonial time. So I think this is also a great opportunity to write off all those laws which were introduced in India by the English rulers. The government has also created a NCRB's Sankalam app, which could provide information, and the National Crime Record Bureau is just updating this application, which will show you the difference between the old laws and the new criminal laws. So the aim of implementing these laws, which are being implemented from 1st of July 2024, is basically to provide justice and not the punishment. I welcome you all once again, especially our chief guest, our guest of honor and media persons. I am aware that they are busy with their activities, but I think it is important to know about the new criminal laws. So we have requested you and you have honored our request. I am really thankful from the core of my heart on behalf of my team also, with the expectation that your cooperation through your media will help us in spreading the word. I will take your leave with a couplet that इल्म ये है कि आपको मालूम हो कि क्या कहना है. इल्म मीन नॉलेज. इल्म ये है कि आपको मालूम हो कि क्या कहना है. हिकमत ये है कि आपको मालूम हो कि कब कहना है. हिकमत इज स्ट्रेटजी. तो होप वी विल just follow this couplet, and thank you once again. Thank you very much.
And to guide us through it, I'd like to call upon Mr. Sahil Naseer, sir.
Respected dignitaries on the dais. So I will start with DPT to give an overview of between the Press Information Bureau India. So as stated earlier, the purpose of these three new legislations is to give justice, not punishment. So the primary focus will be on dispensing justice through these three major criminal laws, and this will be towards judicial system or delivery of justice through digital media. So if you could just see what the President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, had to say about these legislations, that these bills will replace the police now need to work with data instead of data. So punishments, making a new era in the judicial criminal justice system of India.
Also, Wisdom truly did justice to this Barthalab. Shivam Sahat sir, SP North, IPS, our chief guest, his keynote address.
Inviting me to this prestigious event, and I would say that this Vartalap, mini Vartalap, is a appropriately timed event, as we know that in a couple of days there is going to be a watershed moment in our criminal justice system's history. On 1st July, we'll be finally saying goodbye to the colonial era criminal laws, and it would be a new dawn when three new laws that are based on Indian thinking and which are enshrined in the principles of justice, equality and impartiality will be implemented in our country. Like the previous speakers before me said, that it is not Bharatiya Dand Samhita, it is Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita, which in itself demonstrates that the government is committed to delivering justice and not just punishment. So that highlights the transformative change in the thinking in which these new laws have been framed. So a lot has been already, the details have already been shared, and over the course of the past few months, a lot of awareness has been generated on what new sections have been introduced, what new changes have come. But I would like to once again highlight on some important aspects which will come into force once these new laws
मिनी वार्तालाप, जैसे कि आप लोगों को पता होगा, पहले भी हमने आप लोगों के ताउन से, कोऑर्डिनेशन से प्रेस इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो ने प्रेस क्लब में यहाँ पे इस तरह के प्रोग्राम किए हैं जिनसे लोगों तक एक पैगाम पहुँच सके, अवेयरनेस हो सके उनकी। और आपको ये तो पता होगा कि न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉज जो हैं वो हमारे जो पुराने लॉज हैं उनको रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं, और उसी के सिलसिले में क्योंकि उसकी अवेयरनेस लोगों तक पहुँचनी चाहिए, बहुत सारी एप्रीहेंशन लोगों में होती हैं कि रिप्लेस हो रहे हैं तो कैसे हो रहे हैं और नए एक्चुअली वो कानून हैं क्या। तो उसको देखते हुए पूरे देश में जम्मू कश्मीर के साथ साथ और जम्मू के साथ साथ इस तरह के प्रोग्राम हम ऑर्गेनाइज़ कर रहे हैं। मेरा मतलब है कि प्रेस इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो और पूरी कंट्री में इसकी अवेयरनेस के लिए न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉज जो हैं उनकी अवेयरनेस के लिए प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं ताकि लोगों को और जो जस्टिस सिस्टम है, जो कोर्ट हैं और ख़ास करके मीडिया है, उसको रिपोर्टिंग में दिक्कत ना हो। हम आज भी आपके साथ जो प्रिंट मटेरियल है वो शेयर करेंगे और जो हमारे एक्सपर्ट हैं वो भी आपको बताएंगे कि असल में EFIR कैसे दर्ज होती है। पहले जो हमारा जो एक डिजिटल सिस्टम था उस पे वो उतना भरोसा नहीं किया जा सकता था क्योंकि एक चेन जो है वो लॉ ऑफ नेचर है। तो उसको देखते हुए जितने इतने पुराने जो मतलब इंग्लिश रूलर्स के दौर के जो यहाँ पे लॉ इम्प्लीमेंट थे उसको चेंज करके एक जो फोर्स है वो जुडिशल सिस्टम को दी गई है और उसका बेसिक मकसद ये है कि जस्टिस प्रोवाइड करना, ना कि पनिशमेंट लोगों को देना। तो उसी को सब रखते हुए, नज़र में रखते हुए 3 जो क्रिमिनल लॉ हैं उनको लागू किया गया है और उसके बारे में आज की ये वर्कशॉप है ताकि हम मीडिया वालों को उससे जानकारी दिला सकें।